Hi guys, today we'll discuss about topic on connective tissue proper. Connective tissue proper. So today topic is very most important topic, connective tissue proper. So connective tissue proper, it can be divided into two types: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue. Loose connective tissue, loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. Dense. So what is the loose connective tissue? So in this tissue, all cells and fibers are loosely arranged in a semi-fluid ground substances. Once again, loose connective tissue, the meaning all cells, fibers are loosely arranged in semi-fluid ground substance is called loose connective tissue. So, loose connective tissue again divided into three types. Again divided into three types. So, there are three types: areolar tissue, areolar tissue, adiposa tissue, and reticular tissue. So, is it clear? So, here loose connective tissue, it can be divided into three types. So, areolar tissue, adiposa tissue, reticular tissue. Today we will discuss only areolar tissue. Today we will discuss only areolar tissue. So, areolar tissue. So, here only areolar tissue. So, what is the areolar tissue? What is the areolar tissue? So, here areolar tissue, it is one of the most widely distributed tissue in the body. In our body, it is one of the most widely distributed tissue in the body. So, as well as it forms the packing and almost all organ and located in the subcutaneous skin of the subcutaneous layer of the skin, and as well as it consists of the various types of the cells. They are so fibroblast and mast cells and macrophages and plasma cells and adipocytes. So it consists of the various types of areolar tissue. So once again, so areolar tissue is one of the most widely distributed in the body. It forms packing in almost all the organs located in the subcutaneous layer of the skin, and as well as it consists of the fibroblast, mast cells, macrophages, plasma cell, adipocytes. So here fibroblast, what is the fibro? So fibroblasts are active cells. They can secrete fibers, and fibrocyte inactive. Okay, Nama? So that is a fibroblast. And mast cells. So mast cells are secreted by liver. So it can secreted by liver as well as mast cells are consist of the various types of the cells, like that example anticoagulant heparin, anticoagulant and histamine and bradykinin. So histamine, bradykinin main function vasodilator, and serotonin. So serotonin means in vasoconstriction. So as well as in the vasodilators are creating to the inflammation and cells are injury or infected type. So that is a mast cells are very most important So NEAT and TS MSET and AP MSET. Very most important MCQ question, multiple choice question. Heparin main function anticoagulant, and histamine bradykinin main function vasodilators, and serotonin main function is the vasoconstriction. Very so many times asked in the NEAT and TS MSET as well as your AP MSET. Okay, macrophages. So macrophages are amoeba-like cells. So as well as monocyte modified into macrophages. Macrophage main function phagocytosis. Phagocytophaging meaning eating. So they are eating the foreign particles like that bacteria, virus, worms, pathogen. Did you understand? So macrophages are amoeba-like cells. They are movement also amoeba-like movement. So monocytes are modified into macrophages. So macrophages main function phagocytosis. Phagocytosis main function eating of the cells. Which substance are eating? They are eating. So they are bacteria, virus, and pathogen and foreign particles. So as well as they are intercellular scavengers. So that is the macrophage. Next, plasma cell. So plasma cells are produced by B lymphocytes. So they are produced with the antibodies. So that is the plasma cells. And adipocytes, they are specialized fat storage cells. So these are various types of cells are present in the areolar tissue. So as well as here areolar tissue, specialized fibers are present. So the fibers are three types of fibers: collagen fibers, reticular fibers, and elastin fibers. So what are there? We can see. So areolar tissue consists of the various type of fibers. So the fibers are three types. So collagen fibers, reticular fibers, elastic fibers. So collagen fibers. So what is the collagen fibers? Here collagen fibers collagen and reticular fibers both are protein is a collagen protein. Protein is a collagen protein. collagen protein, and elastic is a elastic protein. Elastic protein. So as well as collagen protein. So collagen fibers. Collagen fibers and collagen. So these are unbranched. Unbranched. So unbranched, branch and branched. So reticular branched, elastic branched. So collagen fiber color is a white color. White color. Color is a white color. So elastic is a yellow color. Yellow color. So as well as your collagen, their main function, they are strong, stretch resistant. So collagen fibers are strong, stretch resistant. So as well as reticular fibers, thin, firm network. They provide strength support to certain tissue. Once again, they are thin and forms a network. They provide strength support. So strength and support. So elastic fibers are present in elastic cartilage. So these are the three types of fibers. So dear student, these fibers also very most neat MSET purpose. So actually how many types of fiber there? Collagen fibers, reticular fibers, elastic fibers. Here collagen fibers, reticular fibers, elastic fibers. Collagen fibers, the protein it is made up of protein. Collagen, reticular fibers made up of protein, collagen. Both are collagen, but elastic are elastic protein. So collagen proteins are unbranched, but it is a single elongated tube-like structure. And reticular and elastic are branched. Branched meaning here this like branch. They are branched, but unbranched means single directly. So as well as collagen fibers color is white color. So as well as here elastic color is a yellow color. So reticular is a strong support. Elastic is a elastic nature, and collagen is a strong strategic resistant. So thank you my dear student.